I'm Bishri Sarkar, the founder and a certified counselor dedicated to guiding you through the complexities of cancer treatment. At Chennai Medical Guidance Center, we understand that facing cancer can be overwhelming. That's why we've partnered with over 50 leading cancer hospitals and 200 esteemed doctors across India, ensuring you receive the best care available on your path to recovery. From diagnosis to treatment and beyond, our team is here to provide you with personalized support. Our services include information on the latest treatment options, assistance in finding expert medical professionals, and empathetic counseling tailored to your emotional well being. When you choose Chennai Medical Guidance Center, you're not just getting medical guidance, you're gaining a trusted partner who truly cares. We are committed to empowering you with knowledge and support every step of the way. Contact us today to learn how we can assist you in overcoming cancer with confidence and hope. Together, we'll navigate this journey towards healing. Chennai Medical Guidance Center, your trusted ally in the fight against cancer.